Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Geekvape Aegis T200 starter kit, utilizing a dual 18650 battery layout with a 200 watt max power output, integrating the advanced AS chip 3.0, offering an extensive temperature control suite, rapid firing speeds with a large touchscreen displaying 4 dynamic UI themes, backed with an A-Log safety switch, fast charging Type-C USB, paired with the Z 2021 sub-ohm tank, utilizing a top-to-bottom airflow system with the newly updated Z coil series, providing a double service lifespan, capable of delivering great tasting flavors and satisfying vapor production. Let's get right into it and present the new Aegis T200 starter kit by Geekvape. And here we have the new Aegis T200, also known as the Aegis Touch Starter Kit, provided to us as a sample by Geekvape. Now it's clear why they're calling this the Aegis Touch. The device features a huge 2.4-inch touchscreen display that vividly provides 4 dynamic UI themes. No adjustment keys here. Everything will be corrected via the touchscreen feature. Now before we get into the internal specs, let's go over the external features first. Crafted from durable zinc alloy with an IP68 rated tri-proof system, paired with a soft cushion leather backing for added comfort, with a nice matte finish. Available in 7 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the silver edition. As we mentioned before, we have a large 2.4-inch touchscreen display with an A-Lock safety switch. Here we have our single intuitive firing button, Type-C USB charge port, featuring a bottom latch battery door, utilizing dual 18650 batteries, pushing a max power output of 200 watts, paired with Geekvape's Z 2021 sub-ohm tank, backed with a leak-proof top adjustable airflow control system, quarter-turn top fill system, housing up to 5 ml of e-liquid, utilizing Geekvape's Z coil series with an updated build structure, providing a double service lifespan, capable of delivering great tasting flavors and dense vapor production. To power on the device, press the firing button 5 times, and the main screen will showcase dual battery bars, our selected power mode, wattage level, our puff record and puff counter on the left hand side, our amps, coil resistance, and voltage level on the right. Flip the A-Lock safety switch to fully lock the device. Integrating the advanced AS chipset 3.0, the T200 offers an extensive temperature control suite. Swipe left or right to toggle between the different modes. Here we have our stainless steel, temperature control, our customs curve, bypass mode, our smart mode, and power mode. Now adjustments will be made in increments of 1, with a max power output of 200 watts, featuring round robin. Swipe up to see all the different modes available. Press on the settings mode to access themes, wallpaper, brightness, reset, puff clear, and version number. Here in themes, we have 4 different options to choose from. And in wallpaper, we have 3 different options. And everything else is pretty straightforward. Adjust our brightness, reset to our default settings, clear our puff record, and check on our version number. The package will include the Aegis T200 box mod, a 5 ml Z 2021 sub-ohm tank, utilizing a pre-installed 0.15 ohm Z coil rated between 70 to 85 watts, a 0.4 ohm Z coil rated between 50 to 60 watts, an extra bubble glass tube, a spare parts bag, which includes a Geekvape coil removal tool and extra O-rings, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual.